All right, guys, this is Rick from Rick's Review. I have a shovel I want to review for you today. All right, so this is a shovel I bought. This is a folding shovel. I took it out. I picked up a new hobby recently. It's metal detecting, right? So I went to a dry riverbed, pretty dry, but the soil wasn't really hard. I've dug some hard soil. It really wasn't that hard, but there were a few hard spots. And, well, let me tell you how this shovel did. It sucked. It didn't do very good. Now, I know it's a folding shovel. It's not a solid shovel. It's not going to do as well as a good solid shovel. But, yeah, I think I dug 3 holes and it already started to bend on me. And I wasn't using the shovel to pry up the dirt. I've been digging holes since I was 5 years old, helping my dad dig up stumps and out of the ground. So I know how to dig. I wasn't using it as a pry bar. It just couldn't do it. Every time I just kind of slowly chip away at the dirt, slowly chip it away, soften it up, and then pick it up. It started to give out on me. So let me go ahead and straighten it out, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, it's neat because it actually gets pretty long. It's a 18-inch long shovel, folds down to 10 inches long. It fits in the bag, but the problem is the construction. It's just real thin steel. Cost about $15 at Academy Sports and Outdoors, right? It's just real thin steel. They could have made this shovel out of a little bit thicker steel, sold it for $30, and I would have bought it for $30. But this is all they had at Academy, and I got to tell you, it's some pretty worthless shit unless you're just trying to dig soft sand, like say at the beach. Let me show you some pictures, and I'll kind of give you an idea a little bit more about how this shovel failed me. Well, as you can see here, the shovel has 3 rivets, and it started to pull the last rivet away from the the base of the shovel or the handle of the shovel. And as it started to pull away, the shovel would kind of flex. So now the shovel isn't almost straight anymore. Now it's at a very sharp angle. Since it's at a very sharp angle, it feels really weird to dig like that. Every single time I actually dig into the dirt, it will flex unless the dirt is really soft, say like sand over at the beach. So don't buy this shovel unless you just want to dig in the sand at the beach. Buy it for the kids, straighten it out. But then you want to probably buy them plastic shovel. So I knew it wasn't a very good shovel. I mean, it's only $15, but I didn't think it was going to crap out the first time I went out to use it. Not even every dig. I mean, I think the 3rd hole it started to go out. But yeah, Rick's Review. I hope I saved you a few bucks. Don't buy from Academy that cheap folding shovel. I think it's by Colgans or Colins or something like that. But this is Rick's Review. I'll see you guys next time.